Hi, this is Rod Forsythe, real estate professionals with the amazing Yvonne Laanstra from Staging Calgary. We're going to talk a little bit right now about prepping your home from paint, moving forward, getting your house organized and or getting it ready for sale. Yvonne, what should people do first?
Organizing first, absolutely. Get the stuff out of the way. But then when you have time and really have the idea of selling in the near future, it's so important to take a look at your wall colors because they really make a difference when you're selling your home. In general, we say the lighter the better. Stay away from bright, bold colors or too personal decor. So yeah, a neutral wall color that is light and bright and makes the house inviting will make a huge difference.
Now, you have availability to actually be able to do a virtual consultation, correct?
Correct.
We could send that and people could actually get started right away.
Absolutely.
And if they want you in person, they'd be crazy not to have you. But the reality is that we're social distancing these days. And what's that thing right there?
Well, it's a color fan deck, and maybe an interesting fact is that a human being can identify over 1 million colors in paint. But it only takes one color to turn people off from buying a house, which is actually interesting because over 80% of people cannot see through paint colors. So it's hugely important to change your color to a neutral color when you're selling.
And when 98% of people that we work with take Yvonne's advice on paint, their house sells faster and for more money. Stay tuned. We'll be in touch with another episode from Staging Calgary and the Forsythe Group.